Hi, this is Kristen, and the purpose of this lesson is to show you how you can use this tool, Screencast-O-Matic, to help you teach a rate score lesson. So up here, I have one of the rate score lessons. It's a third grade lesson called It's Mine Forming Possessives. And it tells you in the lesson they'll learn about creating possessives. They'll practice them in a whole group and in a small group. And they have a slideshow that basically helps you teach it. And then it goes through and gives you the rest of the information. Here is the student practice sheets. And down here, they also give you PowerPoints. And this one's in the middle, so I'm going to back it up. And it basically, this is a video of the PowerPoint, but in the lesson itself, it's a PowerPoint. It goes through and shows you exactly how you can direct instruct the students. Now, if you do this on video, the students can watch it over and over. If they're still making mistakes, you can tell them to go back and watch the video again. Also, it's great for when students are absent. You can email it to their parents to watch. So you can walk them through the lesson. And then once you have walked them through the lesson, you can even pause and let them practice. This present belonged to Sally. Who has the present? Obviously Sally does. So can we turn this into a possessive? And then they would watch the rest of it, and it would say Sally's present is big. And you can see that the apostrophe goes between the Y and the S, because Sally is her name and she is singular. So that's just an overview of how you could use screencasting to help you with your writing. Another great thing about it is that you'll have it from year to year, so you don't have to recreate them. And you can also share them with other teachers on your grade level. Have a great day.